Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 14th, 1919. Effects of a suffrage done in the divine will. Participation in the pains which the humanity of Jesus received from the divinity. The first soul stigmatized in the divine will. While I was in my usual state, I found myself outside of myself, and I saw a late confessor of mine. A thought flashed into my mind. Ask about that thing which you have not told the confessor, whether you are obliged to say it and therefore write it or not. I asked him, telling him what the thing was, and he said to me,
"Of course you are obliged." Then he added,
"Once you did for me a beautiful suffrage. If you knew the good you did to me, the refreshment that I felt, the years that I paid off. And I don't remember. Tell me what it was, and I will repeat it for you." And you immersed yourself in the divine volition and took its power, the immensity of its love, the immense value of the pains of the Son of God and of all the divine qualities. You came over me and poured them upon me. And as you poured them, I received the bath of the love that the divine power contains, the bath of the beauty, the bath of the blood of Jesus, and of all the divine qualities. Who can tell you the good you did to me? They were all baths which contained a divine power and immensity. Repeat it for me. Repeat it for me. As he was saying this, I found myself back into myself. Now, in order to obey, to my highest confusion and repugnance, I will say the thing that I had neglected to say and write. I remember that one day my sweet Jesus, speaking to me of his most holy will, and of the pains which the divinity made his most holy humanity suffer in his will, said to me,
"My daughter, since I have chosen you as the first one to live life in my will, I want that you too take part in the pains which my humanity received from the divinity in my will. Every time you enter into my volition, you will find the pains that the divinity gave me, not those which the creatures gave me, although these too were wanted by the eternal will. But since those were given to me by creatures, they were in a finite way. Therefore I want you in my will, in which you will find pains in an infinite way and innumerable. You will have countless nails, multiple crowns of thorns, repeated deaths, pains without end, all similar to mine, in a divine way and immense, which will extend in an infinite way to all, past, present, and future. You will be the first one who, not a limited number of times, as those who have shared in the wounds of my humanity, but as many times as my divinity made me suffer, together with me, will be the little lamb killed by the hands of my Father, to rise again and be killed again. You will remain crucified with me by the eternal hands, to receive in you the mark of the eternal, immense, and divine pains. We will present ourselves together before the throne of the Eternal One, with written on our foreheads, in indelible characters, "We want death to give life to our brothers. We want pains to free them from the eternal pains." Aren't you happy?
And I, Jesus, I feel too unworthy, and I believe that you are making a big mistake in choosing me, poor little one. Therefore, mind what you do. And Jesus, interrupting my speaking, added,
"Why do you fear? Yes, I minded for 32 years of bed in which I have kept you. I exposed you to many trials and even to death. I calculated everything. And besides, if I am mistaken, it will be a mistake of your Jesus, which can never do harm to you, but immense good. However, know that I will have the honor, the glory of the first soul stigmatized in my will."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven, in the divine will, always.